Today we are celebrating the grand opening ceremony.
I'm honored to officially declare the Nokian Tyres Dayton factory open.
At Nokian, we're committed both to our people and our product quality. And our commitment is to be the best. And we're really excited to be able to do this in the USA.
Today, we are launching the Nokian 1 HT, the one for safety, the one for toughness, the one for you.
The drive that we prepared for our dealers today, we'll have them starting on a 4-lane highway, an interstate, goes down to a 2-lane highway, and then we have them actually on some backcountry roads. So they'll actually get to experience the tire in many conditions that the tire was designed for.
I heard we were going into some uncharted waters.
Well, they're high quality tires. You know, you can trust them. The safety is obviously built into them. I have no problem selling them to anybody.
So the nice thing about the Nokian 1 HT is that they have that comfort knowing that they're going to have a nice quiet ride.
I'm very pleased with how quiet it is.
We've been a Nokian tire distributor for almost 7 years. Our experience has been nothing but positive with them. Everything that said they were going to do, it's been done 100%. They understand relationships and long-term partnerships.
We've seen great growth with Nokian. Our dealers love selling the product, and we love dealing with the Nokian people. They're just great people to deal with.
We will be celebrating all the possibilities that the factory will be providing, not only for us, but for you.
We have been planning this for years, and finally the dream is coming true.